Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com, and today I'm coming to you with another exclusive right here in Sri Lanka. So I have got my hands on the very first Huawei Mate 20 Pro in Sri Lanka. So in this video, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm of course very excited for this device because this is a monster packing a ton of awesome specs and a lot of cool features in it. So I'm very excited to go ahead and give the Huawei Mate 20 Pro the Andro Dollar review treatment. So without wasting any more time, in case if you're new, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and let's go ahead and unbox the brand new Huawei Mate 20 Pro in Sri Lanka. Oh man, I'm so excited. You guys are here to see the unboxing, so let's go ahead and quickly take away this plastic. At the front of the box it says Huawei Mate 20 Pro right in the center, and on the top it has the Huawei logo, and at the bottom it says Leica triple camera. At the back there are some regulatory information, and on either side it says Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And at the top of the box it has the Huawei logo, and at the bottom of the box it says Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and it has the color, serial number and whatnot. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of this box. Slowly removing the cover of the box, we are greeted with the phone itself. So I have the emerald green color of the phone. Let me keep that to the side for just a sec, and let's go ahead and explore what else is inside this box. First off, we have a SIM ejector tool, and inside this box we have a quick start guide that we will never really use. Keeping that to the side, we also get something really awesome from Huawei, and that is this TPU case. I've said this before, I'll say it again. It's really nice to see OEMs actually putting in a case inside the box. Keeping that to the side, we find the charger. This time around, this charging power brick is quite special because this has Huawei's 40-watt supercharging. This is actually the first time that we are seeing 40-watt supercharging, and it looks pretty sick because I have actually seen a live demonstration of how it works, and it actually blew my mind away, and I'm really excited to use this, and I will definitely update you guys on how it does in the full review. Keeping the power brick to the side, we also get headphones. These are the normal Huawei USB Type-C headphones that we usually get. And surprise, surprise, we also get a 3.5mm to USB Type-C dongle included for free inside the box by Huawei. So it's really nice to see that Huawei is not taking the cheap way out unlike some others. Apple. And finally, we find the USB Type-C cable. So something cool here that I noticed is that on either end it has purple color. So that looks pretty sick and unique. I'm a fan. Now that we have taken everything out of this box, let's go ahead and peel off this plastic from the Mate 20 Pro. So here we go. Alright, so now let's go ahead and boot this up. Let me quickly skip over the initial setup and show you the about phone area. So like you see, the device model is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and this is currently running Android 9 Pie. And what's awesome is that this device is powered by the Kirin 980 processor, and it has 6GB of RAM as well as 128GB of internal storage. So now let's go ahead and see the breakdown of all the specs of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. What I'm most excited about in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is the awesome camera. I'm so happy that the wide angle sensor is here. I'm definitely gonna put this through its paces. I really can't wait, and I'm also a fan of this new emerald green back that it has, and as well as this texture that it has at the back of it. It actually has a matte finish to it. So what Huawei told me is that they have used this texture to avoid fingerprints, and I think so far it's doing a pretty decent job. And I'm also excited for the in-display fingerprint scanner and also to try out the face unlock. Now let's quickly go around the device and see what it has to offer. At the back it has a triple camera setup, but this time the placement is different from the P20 Pro, but it still has that awesome 40 megapixel sensor. On the right hand side it has volume rockers, and what's different here is that we have a power button that's colored. So on my version it's actually red color and I love it. At the bottom we have the primary microphone as well as the SIM card tray and the USB Type-C port. You guys must be actually wondering what happened to the speakers. Actually Huawei has done something clever and gone and hidden the speakers in the USB Type-C port area. So now we don't have visible speaker areas, but Huawei is saying that the sound quality is quite similar to the P20 Pro. It still has stereo sounds, so it's making use of the earpiece as well to mimic the stereo effect. So I will definitely put that to the test in my full video review, so definitely stay tuned and you guys will know how well it does. And up top it has the IR blaster that I love so much and the secondary microphone. So great stuff here. At the front we have the selfie camera, the earphone cutout, as well as a bunch of sensors that is able to do some wonders when it comes to face unlock. It's actually much more secure, so I will definitely put that to the test. And under the display we have an awesome fingerprint scanner as well, and so far it has been doing pretty good. I don't know how many of you guys actually noticed this, but the Mate 20 Pro actually has curved glass at the front and I love the feel of it. I just plugged the Mate 20 Pro to charge and look at this. Oh my god, just see how fast this thing is charging. This is amazing. I'll go as far as to say that I have never seen a phone charging this fast in my life. You can literally see the percentages increasing. This is genius. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is also IP68 water and dust resistant, so I will definitely dip this in a pool. How many of you guys would love to see me dip the Mate 20 in the pool? Subscribe, drop a like and share this video if you guys would love to see that video. Based on my initial impressions, the Mate 20 Pro is quite fast, but I want to give it my full review treatment. And I will bring you guys a ton of awesome videos, including a proper setup video where I show you guys how to set up everything on this phone. Those videos will be coming very soon. So let me know by dropping a comment what are the type of videos that you guys would love to see featuring the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. If you guys love this video, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And definitely go ahead and follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar, and there you can see a ton of camera samples featuring the Huawei Mate 20 Pro in the coming few weeks. So definitely stay tuned right over there. Finally, I would like to mention the price of the Mate 20 Pro as well. The Mate 20 Pro will be priced at 175,000 Sri Lankan rupees in Sri Lanka, and the Huawei Mate 20 will also be available for 125,000. I also received Huawei's latest smartwatch, the Huawei Watch GT, and I will bring you guys a video on that very soon as well. So definitely stay tuned right here on Andro Dollar. Definitely go ahead and hit on that notification bell icon so that you will be updated each and every time I upload a new video here on YouTube. Well guys, that's about it. This is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and you just watched a Sri Lankan exclusive right here on Andro Dollar. Well, thumbs up for that, and until I see you guys very soon with my next video, this is Banu signing out.